My video tutorial is about getting rid of the new ransomware called Rincrypt 2.0 ransomware. This ransomware is able to damage the files that people store on their hard drives. Well, before the ransomware's attack, users are able to open their files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting the ransomware. In the video, I will just show you how damaging this ransomware is, and I will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover them. So you can now clearly see that before the ransomware's attack, we are able to open our files without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office files, text documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Rincrypt 2.0 ransomware may be very easily injected into the system, and so then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware appends a random force symbol extension to the file names. It also reveals this ransom note, and it tells the victims to pay a special ransom. But you should not pay the ransom. Don't waste your money, don't pay the ransom. The ransomware also changes the desktop background, which also contains this ransom note. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner. Go to the website combocleaner.com, use the green download button, install the software, and then start researching the system. Click on Start Scan button. The application is initially available in the trial mode, so only a quick scan option is available. Then after you click on the Start Scan button, the software will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your system. So anyway, after the scanning is successfully accomplished, the application will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed on your device. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license, and you can always request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. So anyway, speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data. Once again, I want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It helps to remove the ransomware and it helps to protect the data in the future, but it does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which actually is able to decrypt the files. But please pay attention to the link in the description to the video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.